I pulled the supercharger off your A6 in part of diagnosing your misfires. It looks like that you have bad intercooler bricks. The cylinder, you have misfires on cylinder 4, 5, and 6. Cylinder 6 is kind of getting hosed down the worst with coolant. This muddy appearance is going to be our main guiding factor towards tracking down misfires. The other cylinders, anywhere you see this like brownish dirt looking stuff, that's from coolant. So really 5 and 6 are getting it worst. Cylinder 3 looks like you're getting it a little bit. Cylinder 1 and 2 look pretty clean. So I'm going to recommend intercooler bricks on, well, both of your intercooler bricks. Unfortunately, the CREC engine has really expensive bricks. We'll do that. We'll scrape out some of the gunk out of the intake. And then we already checked the plugs. They actually look pretty good. Oh, these are actually out. The plugs are still out. So these plugs are pretty fresh. If you can get the camera to focus, it'd be really great. There we go. Plugs look pretty good. I don't see any reason to replace these again since they only have a little bit of mileage on them. Gap looks, come on, you stupid phone. The gap looks pretty decent on them. Condition looks good, and they're good plugs. So that's going to be what we got to do. Some intercooler bricks, and then we'll replace the downstream oxygen sensor on bank 1 to take care of that fault code for your O2 sensor, and then you should be ready to go kick ass in this thing. Beautiful car.